Hey everyone, this is Stanley with the Fellowship DAO, and today I want to demonstrate how our creator machine works to create a Metaplex candy machine. So in the beginning, we're going to start with the first step. We're going to be able to create a collection. So for my example, I'm going to create a bunch of athletic tigers that are going to live within the metaverse. So I provided some data inside of here. I'm going to go through and create some different creator royalty data regarding the royalties for the secondary sales. I'm going to put in all the different kinds of traits and attributes that are going to be related to this tiger. And basically, our algorithm here is going to help us randomize these and create different sets of tigers that we can go and sell within our candy machine collection. So I'm going to click on here to preview a bunch of different tigers. So these images get generated very quickly. So now I have a different set of 50 that I'm going to go and just download. So once the data has been downloaded, we can go and go into our candy machine setup. So over here, I'm going to start by generating a private key pair to use some Mint Authority. So this Mint Authority key that you want to keep safe is going to be the key that you're going to use for updating your candy machine or any, updating any metadata. You're going to need this key. So I'm going to click on this to generate one, and I'm going to store that key in a safe place. Over here, once that we're ready, we're going to go through and upload all the different assets for that we just created with the tigers. So I'm going to go inside of here and just drag out over here. I'm going to drag the first 5 to 10. So I'm going to go and upload them into IPFS, into decentralized storage. So as this is uploading, basically we're just creating a IPFS URL for the images themselves and also for the metadata that we're going to upload into our candy machine. So this over here is taking care of that job and helping us do our upload. So it's going to take a couple minutes over here for our small collection. So now that we've gotten our collection uploaded into IPFS, we can go inside of here and start configuring our candy machine. So we have 10 different NFTs over here. And by default, it's taken in the wallet that I'm using for this experiment inside of here. And I'm going to want to set a go live date of something in the past. I'm going to just set it in December so we can be able to see it right away. And I'm going to allow it to retain authority and retain mutability, which is the ability to change any of the metadata after the fact. So I'm going to click on here. And over here, it's going to show us the candy machine status as we initialize and create the candy machine. So this might take a couple minutes. We're going to just let it run in the background and do its thing. But we should ultimately see the candy machine itself getting created. And then basically, we're going to write into the index of all the different assets that we have. So connecting those IPFS assets that we generated right into the candy machine itself. So over here, you guys will notice we have our candy machine ID. And right now our assets are in the middle of being written into this candy machine. It's going to take a couple minutes. So our candy machine is actually complete and we have the candy machine ID. So I'm just going to click on finish. And over here, our candy machine has been created. So I can essentially go and take that candy machine ID and plug it into a Mint front end. And that's going to allow me to be able to create a front end experience to match what we just created. So this is what we want to demo today. Thank you guys for watching with me.